Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply data validation in Google Sheets mobile. Alright, and here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a table as well. And we're going to practice how we can apply data validation for this number of item column. And the rule is right here, the number of the item should less than 100. So let's just select the column first, and then after that we can click on this three dots button. Then since we want to create data validation, we just need to tap on data validation, and on this criteria we should choose less than. So you can scroll down until you find a less than, and this is the less than criteria. Then you have to put 100. Okay, and you can select the rule for the invalid data. You can choose either show warning or reject input. If you choose show warning, it means that if you input invalid data, you will get warning. But if you select a reject input, the invalid data will be rejected. And I'm just going to select show warning. And then just click on save to save the rule. Okay, and let's just practice. And for example, I'm going to input 65, and this data is valid. And for example, I'm going to put data that greater than 100. Okay, and we will get this warning. Okay, and the cell content violate its validation rules. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply a data validation in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.